What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This knife, like many others, was sent to me by the Apex Pass Around group, which is a network of a bunch of us knife reviewers here on YouTube. So by extension, the manufacturer. I have no idea what's in this box. I can't remember all the stuff that I've signed up to receive. Yeah, sent by the manufacturer for all of us to take a look at. The last person actually to have this was Eugene Kwan. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with his channel. He makes great content. If you've not checked out Eugene Kwan, do go over there and subscribe. I promise I will still be here. If you like your own Rainbow Lady to see for your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type, there are links down in the description where you can pick that up for yourself, as well as links for my Patreon where you can get cool stickers like the two you're seeing here. And you can also gain access to my once-a-week Patreon exclusive content at any tier, even the $1 tier. So if you'd like to check that stuff out and at the same time support this channel, that would just mean the world to me. Please check out my link. Anyways, let's go ahead and just get into this box here. As you can see, Rainbow Lady C having no issue getting into the box. It's thick. Is this a, hang on. If there are stickers in here, I want to make sure and keep them intact so that I can show them on the channel. But I think it's just part of the packaging. Okay, yeah, it's just that. All right. And getting into this here. Also making sure that there's no personal information on this package. Okay, no, there's not. Okay. So, ooh, a Bestech, a heavy Bestech. What the heck is this? Is this what Bestech's premium box looks like? I don't know. What do we have? Intrigue. Such intrigue. Oh, definitely an upper tier Bestech knife. Do we have a model number? So here we go. This is the bow tie. Okay, this is starting to come back to me now. Oh. I am very much a fan of the aesthetic of this on the outside. We have marble carbon fiber. Excuse the light here. I've got it a little dark, not quite picking up the carbon fiber the way that I would like it to, but it is very beautiful. Of course, this isn't the review. In the actual review, I'll make sure the lighting's perfect. Then we have a stone-washed bolster. Awesome. Nice gear pattern bag spacer. I'm assuming titanium milled pocket clip. Sub frame lock. And amazing action and an amazing clip point blade. Oh, that feels good. What blade steel? M390. This is nice. Nice action. Nice flipping action. Oh, that is a good looking blade. So much room up here on this choil. God, I like it when they do that. I can really lock into this. You know, doesn't matter how you want to use this knife, right? Where you want to put your hands. It's very comfortable. There's your reverse grip. Your reverse grip with some people put their pinky there. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Man, Bestech. Awesome design. I don't know what this costs. If I can provide you guys with a link down in my description, I will, if you want to check this out for yourself. But either way, there will be a full review on this knife where everybody can hear my thoughts on it. But first impressions, yeah, very impressive knife from Bestech. That's the Bestech bow tie. So guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, let me get this in here. It's a nice looking box. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.